Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the iPhone Air and the Google Pixel 10 Pro. On one side, we have the iPhone Air boasting a stunning 6.5-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with Dolby Vision and a blazing 120 Hz refresh rate. On the other, the Pixel 10 Pro counters with a slightly smaller but sharper 6.3-inch LTPO OLED panel, pushing an incredible 3300 nits peak brightness. But which phone truly dominates in power with the Apple A19 Pro versus Google's Tensor G5 chip? How do their cameras compare when the Pixel shoots up to 8K video and the iPhone nails Dolby Vision HDR? Battery life, build quality, and unique features like Apple's Dynamic Island or Pixel's AI Gemini Nano also come into play. So, which flagship is worth your hard-earned cash? Is the Pixel 10 Pro's camera prowess really better, or does the iPhone Air's ecosystem seal the deal? Let's dive in and find out. The iPhone Air's 6.5-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display stands out with its exceptional brightness levels, up to 3000 nits peak, and support for Dolby Vision HDR, making it perfect for vibrant, cinematic viewing. Its larger screen-to-body ratio and Ceramic Shield 2 add durability and immersive experience, while features like the Dynamic Island and Always-On display enhance usability beyond just specs. Although the Pixel 10 Pro has a brighter 3300 nits peak, the iPhone's display tech and color accuracy make it the winner here. Under the hood, the iPhone Air's Apple A19 Pro chipset with a hexa-core CPU and 5-core GPU delivers blazing fast performance optimized for iOS, outperforming the Pixel 10 Pro's octa-core Google Tensor G5 in raw power and efficiency. This means smoother multitasking and better gaming experiences on the iPhone Air. The Pixel 10 Pro edges out slightly with a 50MP main wide camera capable of shooting 8K video, which is a huge plus for video enthusiasts wanting ultra-high-resolution content. Its larger sensor and advanced OIS also contribute to sharper images in diverse lighting conditions, making the Pixel's camera the standout. While both phones offer advanced camera features, the iPhone Air's Sensor Shift OIS, combined with Smart HDR5 and next-gen portrait modes, provides superior image stabilization and depth control, delivering consistently stunning photos and videos that feel more natural and vibrant. Google Pixel 10 Pro's larger 4870 Ah battery clearly outlasts the iPhone Air's 3149 Ah, giving it a significant advantage for heavy users who prioritize all-day battery life without frequent charging. The iPhone Air impresses with its premium titanium frame paired with ceramic shield glass front and back, offering enhanced durability and a luxurious feel compared to the Pixel 10 Pro's Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and aluminum frame. Both phones are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, but the iPhone Air can withstand immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, 4 times deeper than the Pixel 10 Pro's 1.5 meters, making it more rugged for extreme conditions. The iPhone Air's unique action button and advanced satellite messaging capabilities like emergency SOS via satellite give it an edge in safety and convenience. While the Pixel 10 Pro's AI Gemini Nano and Titan M2 security coprocessor focus on enhanced AI and security features. The Pixel 10 Pro offers up to 16 GB RAM across all storage tiers starting from 128 GB, which is double the iPhone Air's 12 GB max RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and memory-intensive apps. Both flagships launch at the same $999 price point, making your choice boil down to which features and ecosystem you value more.